Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Gwendoline. Don't forget to be a subscriber and press the notification button so you will be notified when I post new videos on my channel. In this video, I am going to do this look. I was inspired by It's a Silver Medallion. I think I pronounced her name correct. But my inspiration was her, so you can go check that out, what she did and how I did my own little bit twist on it. Leave a comment in the comment section down below because I really want to know if you like this kind of content that I'm posting on my YouTube. I know I'm switching to my Dutch and also then back again in English, so it's hard for some of my subscribers to actually follow it because I'm explaining everything in Dutch. For today's tutorial, only my intro is going to be in English, but the rest is not going to be a voiceover because I don't feel like doing a voiceover and I want everybody to look at it, and I felt like this just needed a background music, me showing what I'm doing and me grooving to the music in the video and no voiceover. That is just how I feel today. And also what I wanted to share is, I know everybody is being here in the quarantine and everything. And here in Holland we don't really have a lockdown, but they do advise us to stay at home. And you know, I have a dog, so sometimes I do go outside just to walk the dog because I really needed him to have the fresh air, and I really need the fresh air as well because, you know, my history, I had a depression, so I cannot stay inside a house for too long, and I make sure that I have like my gloves, so I know I'm taking all of my things to take care of myself, my alcohol or whatever, wash my hands, etc, etc. And for the last thing, sometimes I feel like I'm all alone here on my YouTube. Well, I have all of these subscribers. Thank you. We almost hit 2K. I know it's not a lot, but it's a lot for me, and it's really special for me in my heart. So I really need for you all to give me some comments, more thumbs up. But even if you don't want to give me a thumbs up, just leave something in the comment section so I know you like it or you don't like it, or what do you want me to create, or you want me to add something. I always reply back, so don't forget that, because otherwise it's really gonna make me sad, because my local people here in Amsterdam, I don't feel like I get the support that I really needed on this platform. So I had to give that from you, from my subscribers. So please show me some love, and you will definitely see me in my next one. Bye guys.